Wait. Be careful when posting your boarding pass online. Bakit? Kasi boarding passes have a barcode or QR code na kapag na-scan can be used to access some of your personal data. Madalas, when you scan it using only a regular barcode scanning app, the code will tell you your flight details, your full name, or booking number. Siguro nagtatanong kayo, ano naman? But remember, to manage your flight sa mga website ng airlines, usually ang hinahanap lang nila is, yung last name mo and yung booking number. And kapag napasok yun, they can cancel or change your flight. Super important nito lalo na if hindi pa tapos ang travel mo. Kunyari, you post it habang papunta ka pa lang. Pero if may loko-lokong nagtitrip lang or merong galit talaga sa'yo, kaya niyang i-cancel yung return flight mo. It's rare but it happens. I remember may article akong nabasa na ganun yung nangyari. May nag-cancel ng flight niya kasi pinost niya yung boarding pass. So, kinailangan niyang mag-book ng bago. Yun na nga. Sobrang mahal na. Your managed booking page will also reveal much more personal information, including your contact details, passport details, and at times, even the last 4 digits of the credit card that you used to book. And pati na rin lahat ng mga passengers under that same booking number. In this age na sobrang important talaga ng privacy, iwasan nating magbigay ng access sa private information natin para hindi magamit against us. Follow for more travel tips!